Hello, I'm Pack Tang from Hong Kong, and this is the presentation of the coursework 1. First, we go to the protocol hierarchy, and then here we can see that the hierarchy of the dominant protocol, and which is the TCP and some HTTP or TLS, DNS and SMTP. Then we go to the endpoints. Here I can see that this IP address receive or transfer the most packets. So this is the host machine, and then we can see that the host IP address and its MAC address is this one. Then the scenario is related to the HTTP malicious HTTP. So I go to export objects, then choose HTTP, and I find that there is a zip document. The host is downloaded, and which is suspicious, and we go to this packet, and here we can see that the host, the server is this one, and then the version of the server, and the malicious documents, the document name is this one, and the host of the packet, we can here follow the HTTP stream, and it shows the host is this one. So we are going to find out what is the name, what is the content of this zip document. So we go to export this object, save, and I will save it to my desktop. And here is the content, and the Excel file is this name. And then we are going to find out the other 3 additional malicious domain, and here we will sort TLS, and then the scenario is covered. The time is at 16:45:11, and so we go to the time something like around this one. So the time here, and the first malicious domain is this one, and then the host of this domain, the certificate chain issued by GoDaddy. Okay, we continue to find the other 2. So we scroll down and finding the hello packet, Here is another hello packet, but this is from Microsoft and nothing suspicious. And go on. This one also from Windows, nothing special. And here is the second one, and then this is the third one. And now we are going to find out the C2 IP. We go to statistics and then conversation and choose TCP. I sort the address and then find out here, and then find out this IP address and also this IP address. They are persistent and periodically connections to the host machine, and which may be the beacon. So I filtered by the IP source is this IP address, and then we follow the TCP stream and found that the host is this one. And then we also filter this IP address, and we can follow the TCP stream. And here is the SNI. For the post-infection traffic, I filtered the HTTP request method equals to post, and then here is the result, and we can see that these are the malicious packets, and then we can see that the payload is starting from the first 11 characters is this one, and then the host is this one, and then the server is this one. And here I filtered the DNS, and then found that there is a standard query, DNS query, and which is under this domain, and this is suspicious. This is suspicious because this one is the famous domain which is used to find out the IP address. For the email, the first mail from observed was this one. I filtered SMTP, which is email, and then the first one received is this one, mail from Francine, this one. We follow the TCP stream, and here is some encrypted code, and I have decrypted them, which is decoded from the base 64, and the password as a result is this one, and then I have decoded it and get the answer.